There's not a lot of light. You guys can go down there by the light. Oh, they plowed over there. Alright, let's go, buddy.
Yeah, Bill, yeah!
Dun 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 dun. Yeah. In it. Here, buddy, switch out.
Okay.
Start recording.
Oh. Holy!
Oh, Nick's faster. Yeah, I stopped running. And Joe's getting mad.
I'm gonna try it now. It's gonna be funny.
Yeah. My fucking hands are numb. Wow. What's going on? Get a girl in the truck. Get a girl in the truck. That's what I'm talking about. Got Jay-Z up in there. I'll let the chick play with the dick in the truck.
Got it.
Look at him go. Look at him go.
Let him go. Holy shit. This is why I want it. Look at that.
What, a tractor?
Yeah, cab.
That's our wonderful maintenance man. Wonderful maintenance man.
Just put it in a little bit.
Yeah, I was gonna see if I can stand on it, see if it would even work.
We'll do the toes, just do the whatchamacallit. Here we go.
Alright, we're gonna see Joe now as the mule. Look at Joe go. Mush, Joe, I'm walking. I'm walking. Mush, Joe. There you go. He's getting a little bit ahead of steam. Yeah. There you go. There you go, Joe. Holy F.
Yeah, baby.
Holy F. I'm fucking... Oh my god. I tried to cut across an action shot, the fucking snow went past my knees.
How do you think so? Hey, do your truck.
That's what I said.
How do you think he's up? Push the button up. Push which button up? Yeah, right there. Let's do a Z jump right here.
It's really easy. It's like so dark you can barely see it.
That's fine, dude.
How you feeling, buddy? You just hauled 300 pounds around this parking lot.
You ready?
Just run. You kind of one-handed if you're lucky. Oh my God, this now.
Wait, you want to pull?
No, go ahead.
Ready? Go.
Yeah, buddy. Come on, Kev, make that turn, make that turn. Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna fall through anymore. Oh. Wow.
All right.